there we go. The whole thing just flew off. Welcome everyone to actually an extremely hot day today. But yep, another mod. I am very happy and glad to bring you on the ST. On the Mark 6s actually as a whole. Basically one thing that has always bugged me on these cars is the really kind of tacky, horrible, metally, thin, nasty looking rear wiper blade. So I'm going to put a link to this in the description as well. This kit basically is a smooth, sort of more modern rear wiper blade, which as you can see you've got the kind of housing part and the actual blade itself, which will look a lot more modern. I know people do like de-wiper kits because it makes that kind of cleaner look at the back, which don't get me wrong, does look good. But if you're like me and you actually still want to keep that practicality of having a wiper, but just make it look a little bit more modern, then I think this is probably the kit that you're going to want to look to get. So I think it's supposed to be really easy to basically just unbolt that one, bolt this one back on, and then there you go, you're good to go. So first things first is you need to remove that cap. Then there is a nut to remove, which is a 13mm. Then it's a matter of trying to get this off, which can be quite tricky. So I'm actually just going to use a flathead. Oh, there we go. The whole thing just flew off. So yeah, it can get a bit stuck there. So you probably could have pulled it off, but it was easy just to use one of these. So the new one, theoretically, should click, which I think you might have heard there. Then lift up that wiper, just so I can attach the actual wiper blade itself, which just clicks on. And hopefully that should be it. Oh, and I nearly forgot. We need to replace the washer and nut. So let's turn the engine on and test it out. So there we have it, it's done. As you saw, it is a really quick and simple little mod to do to the back of the car. I just think it really does help sort of modernise the back of the car. And I've seen a few posts here and there, like throughout my sort of time of owning this car, where people have asked if you can get a smooth rear wiper. Now I've seen quite a few companies sell the Mark 7 one to fit onto these cars, but personally I do not like the look of that because it has like a kink in it, because it's on a different position on the back of the car. Now the Mark 6 is positioned here on the glass, and so by having that straight cut smooth wiper, it looks a lot more modern. It's exactly how the normal OEM one works. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. I just think things so small like that can actually make quite a bit of a difference. And I think to just finish it off a little bit more, what I might do is I might try and take it off when I get some free time and a bit more money to buy some spray paint. I might look at spraying it gloss black. And I just think that will sort of, again, modernise it even more. But that's for another time. So yeah, you know, if you do want to get yourself the same one that I've got, I'll pop a link in the description below. It's from eBay, and as I said, you've just seen exactly what comes in the packet. You don't need anything else. You don't need to modify anything. It's just a straight swap. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. Really appreciate that. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click the little bell icon to keep up to date with future videos. Thanks all for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.